They say when it rains, it pours, and that's exactly what happened last night, just as our crew was preparing to record the evening edition of the Election Express. But the show must go on, and our resourceful team still managed to pull off quite a spectacle from inside our big red bus.
This is the best stage we have for you tonight.
Rain gods, right?
Yes, we can't control. Is there a dance that sort of ensures that the rains don't happen?
Had we known, we would have actually had a special feature for Indra, but we didn't know that Indra would play spoil sport. So
Okay, so why don't you tell us what you're going to do so our viewers know what's happening?
well, I am going to be performing a style called Vilasini Natyam, a short extract, if you will, and
I'll be presenting Kathak.
Okay.
I'll be presenting Odissi in a pure dance.
I'll be presenting Kuchipudi.
Okay, excellent. Let's go for it. This is your stage. Our cameras are ready. Can we have the music, please? Just.
Pranavam Brahma Nirmitam Samastanacharamhe Upamaya Namo Namaha. Thank you.